Good morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do a little unboxing, then a short ride, then first impression for the things that we got in the box. Let me start with why did I buy this. I ride EUC and I got full body armor, full face helmet, gloves, all the stuff, and I realized that my feet are not well protected and that I might need something for that. So that's why I decided to buy myself a moto shoes. Now when we finally open the box, let's see what do we have. First thing first, they're quite light, not heavy at all. That's what I like. They got some rubberized plastic, I would say, here on side. They're quite stiff in the front, so there is some protection. On the back side also, protection. You can bend them somewhere in the middle, so I think they might be fine for a little bit walking. They got some Velcro on the top. One thing that concerned me, I think that shoelaces might be a little bit too short. They're not gonna be able to catch the top end holes, but I'll see that. If nothing else, you can buy a new shoelaces, a little bit longer one. The Velcro seems to be quite fine. On the back side, they're a little bit lower, so for your leg you can bend it back. The sizing that I choose, it's 43 US, it's UK 9 and US 10. Those are my size for the shoes. I'm gonna see if they're gonna match real life sizing. What else? Yeah, at the bottom there is not too much grip, but that's a rubber, so I guess when it's gonna be raining, when the surface is gonna be wet, they're not supposed to be as slippery that much. Well, now when we saw them, I think it's time for me to try them on UC and come back with my first impressions regarding the ride. Let's go. after maybe like 3 miles ride and 5 to 10 minutes walking in them, those are my impressions. Regarding the ride, they are good. They are nice, they are not slippery. My legs feel fine in them, so for that part I like them. As I already showed you, they have some nice protection. How good protection it's actually, well, I don't know, and I hope I won't find out, but I will, so I'll tell you when I do a first crash in them. Regarding the walking, yes, but if you're gonna do like 10 minutes walk in them, 15 maybe, 20 max, yeah. If you have to walk for like half an hour in them, not that sure. If you're doing like a ride, then 5 to 10 minutes walking to grab some snack, drink and stuff and go back riding, totally fine. Regarding the sizing, I showed you the sizing, and 43 it's Europe, not US, as I said first time I think. The sizing, it's matching good, so if you're planning to purchase them, just select the size that you usually wear. You don't need to do any additional measuring and I don't know, something. They are good regarding that. As I was concerned, the shoelaces are too short to fill up the bottom hole, but since they have a Velcro, that stripe, that's good enough, so you don't even need to go all the way up. What else? Yeah, I'm not quite sure that they are water resistant. I wouldn't try to ride with them on the rain, so I mean that's up to you. What else? The price. So I'm from Europe. They cost me 40 euros. That might be roughly 50 US, but there was like a additional 10 euros delivery fee. So 50 euros with delivery, 60, 62, 3, I don't know, US. Is it a good purchase? Well, I don't know. We're gonna see from time to time. I mean, you can use them for EUC, for one wheel, for, I don't know, all the electric scooters. Maybe you're not gonna use them for the small commuting electric scooters, but if you're planning to go 20 miles, 30 kilometers an hour or faster, why not? They're looking quite decent, so they're not like very ugly, at least to me. You can walk in them for like a few minutes with no issues, for sure. Maybe from time to time, when I get used to them, I could walk for like an hour, I don't know. Yeah, this video, it's now too long. Well, do I like them? Yes. Am I gonna like them in like few months, few weeks? I don't know, we're gonna see that. Those are just first impressions, so it's not a review because I just bought them like 2 days ago. I will put a link in description for the online shop where did I buy them. I didn't have any discounts, I didn't get them for free, I paid with my own money, so it's not like paid advertised video, it's just my money, my opinion. If you like the video, take a look for some other videos on our channel, share, subscribe, all that stuff, you know. Yeah, okay, that's it, bye.